This one take the meter. You find where is the common. That common means that is for the line 1. Line 1 or line 2 of our power. See, this is power supply. There are two. Line 1, line 2. Okay, line 1, line 2. Okay. Now you find now here. This is now our spin motor, right? You find here where is the common. The common is the high resistance. You can check here. Where is the common? Okay. We have 15 amps.
Yeah.
No. This one is 15 ohms. 15 ohms. 10, 15, 16 ohms. This is 16 ohms. Okay. You separate this one. That one you can see. This one 8 ohms. 5, 6, 7. 8 ohms. 8 ohms. Okay. Okay. The other one also 8 ohms. That one also is then 8 ohms.
Yeah.
So consider this one is the common. This one is the common. Okay.
Yeah.
You put now in the power. This is our power. This is for the power. You put from here. You put from here for the power line direct. Okay. Okay. Noise too much. Okay, you try now this one. Okay, we have, right?
Yeah.
Because I on this one. If I'm going to off this one, you can see no more. See?
No.
So consider this one is the return. So this one we put now for this gray.
Ganun ako pag magturo guys sa aking assistant sa pagkabit ng spin motor sa aming washing machine. Kaya tinuturuan ko siya kung paano magbasa ng resistance gamit ang multimeter na analog. Kaya nga step by step ang tinuturo ko sa kanya para maintindihan niya, dahil pag kasi yung hindi step by step hindi niya maiintindihan. Kaya tinuturuan ko siya kung ano yung common na ilagay, pati kung ano ang line 1 at saka line 2. Yun lang guys, ang kasi dyan, ang common dyan, yung dalawa kasing linya, tatlo kasi ang linya yan sa spin motor. Pag ang dalawa dyan high resistance, considered yung isa ay common. Tapos yung dalawa, yun na yung ikakabit sa capacitor. At doon ka na rin kukuha ng line 2.